So many of us add bay leaves to our food, especially in the cooking of meats and stews, but yet so many of us don't know the benefits of bay leaves to our body system. You are welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the benefits of bay leaves to our body system. Bay leaves are a rich source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Bay leaves also contain a good source of iron, potassium, calcium, and so on. Bay leaves has also been proven to be useful in the treatment of migraines. Bay leaves also contains enzymes that helps to break down proteins and digest food faster. It is an anti-cancer property. It also helps to reduce stress and anxiety. With the wide range of benefits that these powerful leaves may offer, it is advised that we include them in our diets daily. Thank you once again for watching. If you've watched to this very point, I appreciate you. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn your notification bell on to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.